So you might be wondering how to use check-in on iOS 17. So this is a really cool new feature that basically allows you that if you're going somewhere or driving somewhere and you want to let somebody know of where your location is, at least until you get to that location. Let's say I'm going from Walmart to my house and I want to let somebody know. Well, I can go ahead and basically send them that specific location time, and it will also let them know that I've reached. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to go and open up your iMessage application. And you want to go ahead and find that specific user that you want to go ahead and basically send your check-in location to. So all you're going to want to do is tap on that chat. You want to go and tap on the little taskbar down here. And there's a little plus button right here. All you're going to want to do is tap on that plus button. And you want to swipe down. Now this may change in the future, but you have to swipe down. And you want to go and tap on this little check-in button right here. If it changes, it's still going to probably be in the same spot. So all you want to do here is tap on check-in. And this little thing is going to come up. So it's going to say, let your friend know you've arrived with check-in. So now it's going to say your friend will be notified automatically when you get to your destination. But they will also be notified, I think, if there's delays or if there's traffic or something like that too. So what you want to do here is you want to click continue. And it's going to say iPhone will keep up with your progress. So it's going to, if you aren't making progress towards your destination, you'll be prompted and have 15 minutes to respond. You can click continue. And it says choose the data that you'd like to share if you don't arrive. So you can share limited data or you can share full data. You can also show an example. So this would be an example of this. So it says limited data, it's going to be like something like this, but full data is going to be something like this. So it's going to show you all this other information here. So now whenever you're ready, you can choose one. In this case, we'll just choose limited. We'll just choose full, who cares? And then you can go and click continue. And then it's going to say your friend is notified when you send the check-in, you arrive, and you are delayed and do not respond after prompted. So now what you can do is click send a check-in, and then it's going to go ahead and send your location probably to them, and that is it. At this point, you can go and click send, and that's all you're going to have to do. Now in this case, I deleted it, but you want to go ahead and send it, and that is basically how you can send a check-in to somebody. Just super easy process, super basic, and like I said, it doesn't really take too much time. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.